Jean Shotla, Kuyunakasifin Church, or Nyachapunching First Hmong Alliance Church, who Aurora, Illinois, Kusa Oga Chansi Kohonachicha, Kumichi Bulishi Hertu Gulu, having cheated the Yankakuto, Bulashi Gunching, had the Banchichi, Washiko Honache, or Tenurikia, Joya Fande. I have had the privilege of not only being a part of the ministry on the local level, but have had the opportunity to briefly serve on the Alliance Women Ministry executive team and chair their history committee. Through this experience, I have been blessed to see the amazing things God has done in and through the ministry. This ministry started on the national level with women praying diligently and faithfully on their knees, and then rising up to put their faith into action. Within the Hmong District, we have seen our grandmothers and mothers faithfully build on top of that foundation. In 40 years, the Alliance Women Ministries has worked incredibly hard to gather women not only to build community, but also provide teachings and trainings to equip the church. They have also raised thousands and thousands of dollars in scholarships to help Bible college students pursuing ministry, missionaries, give to humanitarian efforts, donate Bibles, and so much more. Most importantly, they have taken seriously the work of sharing the gospel with men and women here in the United States and internationally as well. When I think about the future of the Alliance Women Ministries, I believe the heart, or rather the DNA, will be the same in the way we love, serve, give, teach, train, and equip. But the ways in which we do it may look different, given the different times we live in. I see the Alliance Women Ministries being an oasis, a place where ladies can drink deeply from and then return to the local churches and communities replenished and encouraged as they continue to be God's hands and feet. I personally thank God so much that even though I am just a small and unimportant Hmong woman in the eyes of the world, I get to have a place with God and a purpose in Him because of Jesus' work on the cross. It's by God's grace that I, along with so many of you, have been given ample opportunities to learn and receive biblical and theological training. We also have access to an abundance of resources and technology that can increase our reach all around the world. It's also by God's grace that we, women, get to be a part of what He's doing to advance His kingdom here on earth, and what a privilege it is to be His ambassadors of reconciliation. It can be daunting or intimidating for the younger generation to hear that it's our time to step up. And it's easy to see the Alliance Women Ministries as our grandmother or mother's ministry. But I believe that for as long as God allows this ministry to be used as a platform and vessel to advance His kingdom, this is God's ministry. It's exciting to be a part of this ministry that God has and is evidently using. My encouragement is for all of us to find ourselves back on our knees in prayer and start dreaming and strategizing about how we can continue to build on the foundation. It is my hope that we will find fresh new ways to continue to be an oasis for our generation and the generations to come, for men and women all around the world.